Good morning and welcome to Gosa GH TV. My name is Dela Demdonya and we are here in kpedze EP Park here to witness a justifier. Stay tuned.
So as you can see, the players are nicely lined up in their jersey kits with their referees and the assistant referees taking a photo shoot. To kick off, as you can see from the number 10 from the team B this morning on Gosa TV to witness a football justifier for the Red Lions of kpedze. As you can see, it is it's a corner kick, and it's a goal kick. B, a very nice pass. It has still in play. There is a miss from the striker from the team B. Still pressuring. In corner kick. Goal kick. A justified match of the Red Lions of kpedze. As players on the pitch showing their talent. So far, so good. Nice throw. Number 8 jersey from the team A struggle to get the ball, passes to the nearest man. A brilliant pass so far from the number 5. Two jersey. Number 11 passes to the number 10 JC. What can we see? It has been taken out from him. Another champion defending so far from the team A defenders. Another nice pass from the team B. Number 2 JC passes to the number 9. Missed. They have taken it from him. What can we see? Another recovery from the team B. Defending man from team B. Just a small boy. He's displaying his talent, and there is a suggestion that this boy must be picked to play for the Red Lions of kpedze. So far, so good.
Good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Please, may I know your name?
Yeah, my name is Alaji Kala.
Okay, please, what work do you do here?
Okay, I am the organizer.
So please, how did you see today's match?
In fact, I just like the way it is. The way the boys are coping with the game, I like it. So I know, in fact, the way things are going, I know something better is coming down to kpedze, and which will bring more vim to the youth and the elderly ones in the town. And I believe very well that what we are doing today will benefit a lot. And I like the way they are doing.
So who do you think they are going to pick?
In fact, to tell you whom to be picked now, I'll tell you, I'll deceive you. So what I'm trying to do now is they should pick them. We have the coaches around. I am just an organizer. when they pick them, they give the list to me. Then I know what to do. But for me, I cannot put anybody for the coaches to do. But by the way, I'm seeing some people on the field that are doing well. But I cannot prove to the coaches that do this one or do this one. So that one is out.
Okay, so in your opinion, who do you think, which number do you think that will be going?
Oh, for number, there are a lot of numbers over there that will go. But I don't want to tell you this and this and that. If I should do that, then I'm mistaken. Then I'm taking the work of the coaches. So I don't want to take the work of the coaches. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, my brother.
Yeah. Oh, Charlie. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, added. Yeah, the second half are about to commence. Yeah. Okay, so we are witnessing the second half of the Justifier against the team B and the team A. As you can see.
Head baller.
Team A, they are in the pink jersey kit, and then team B in the light green. So as you can see, it's a nice pass to the number 7 jersey man of the team A. And offside, the goalkeeper took it nicely.
Nice.
A very nice head out. Another poor pass from the number 11 jersey man of team A. That will be taken nicely by the goalkeeper of team A. Team B. Very brilliant pass. Throw in favor of team A. Another throw in for team A. Nice pass.
Famous to the first today.
A brilliant pass. What can we see? The number 7 JC man. What can we see? An offside. Goal kick. Shortly taken by the goalkeeper of team B. He passes a nice pass. Another recovery from team A, number 7 JC man. Very nice pass. Another loose ball from the number 5 JC man of team A. That brilliant radar.
Soldier, today you the rock power. Nice.
The number 9 JC man. Another brilliant pass. Hey, can we see a goal? It has been recovered by the goalkeeper.
Allah, living legend.
Nice pass. What can we see? Can we see a goal? Oh. Number 7 JC man.
Thank you. It's not live.
This afternoon to interview some of our spectators. Ball pola yonye team A play team B akpagbanto nu ke mi have mi agbole fi e phone call de Ntifafa enye eno team B top akpaje anye number 2 pola mi di be mi abia ncho ele kokpo ball e alo leke ball fofo ko iji a na be susudele a na de agbolo na mi
oh ball fofo nde sare inu de e amesi amefu inu de na reke me wa mereko yokumya da pera ma we o mi fu ejeji amerika me kwa bi eno ke mi do cha o fete o jeji inu de
o leke ele sure be wa pick be ya represent kpedze Red Lions da
reko leke ncheme fu me po me fu nde ta me nya bo atacho.
What's your name?
My name is Kofi Gosla.
Your name is Kofi, okay. So, per your expectation and your views,
I personally didn't put myself much into the game because when I want to put like more effort, I'm going to get more injury due to the pack.
So, what are your expectations? Are you viewing forward or seeing forward to be selected to represent the kpedze Red Lions FC?
Well, to say I'll be glad to be one of the kpedze Red Lion, but it all depends on the coaches.
Okay.
It's all dependent.
Yo, gentlemen, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.
We are grateful and we are willing to see you in the squad.
Nkoje kom la tia ya.
Okay, for come like
kpedze Salama.
kpedze Salama. Okay, ta le wona pe akpagban to mi po ball fufu mi po justify match le team A play B gbo le kenye open popo so far cho ele yo football e.
Oh, enye jona mpa be mi tan po enu mi ocho kpedze gbome. Be atana be duo penko adi. Ta rembe po boys o tan le afomede ple $1 me po be ngogbela ademiaji ta miawele dojilo.
Yo, akpena ode o fe yita.
All right.
For mi ga ho mi afo reka LFI eva po ball etefe e pole inu le ji e fo mere kun ko de eno katia ya ta le open popo nu le ke po wona pakpagban to team A play team B o football de le ke open popo cho ele ko fu ehunti.
Okay, nyon popo o je go me afa me ba ya ka nu ko he me kon ku ba po me ko be de bia onyu bo ese onyu ta mia ta pe na ma mia do gbe da be ma un to akede mia be nu si anu fe mia wale nkeke ji o ajeje na mia ko play anu to so ka represent the Red Lion.
Yo, akpena ode o fe yita akpena o ka aka. So, madam, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Please, what's your name?
I'm Love Abaleko.
Okay, so as we have just ended the first match between the first team and then the team A and team B,
Yeah.
what are your views and expectations so far that you have organized?
Oh, okay. Yeah, what I'm expecting, I didn't see much, but it's like they are all being careful. So that aggressiveness is not there. Yeah, so we are expecting something more when the team C and then D come to the field. So let's keep watching and then we see what comes out.
Okay, we are grateful and thank you for your time.
Yeah, thank you too.
Thank you.
So, commentator, how did you see today's match?
Oh, it was very nice and we are expecting that at the end we will have a very good team to represent the kpedze Red Lions FC. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, it is true. You've interviewed me and I've spoken. But at the moment, as I said, the coaches are picking. And as they finish the second this thing now, we've seen that they've picked some people that we are ready to say we'll be working with them. And the one they are going now, they are going to pick the final ones. So after the final, before we can tell you what we should do and what will happen next. But I believe all they are picking, they are doing their job very well. That it shall be well.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Please, may I know your name?
My name is Coach Godwin.
Okay, please, how did you see the match between Team A and Team B?
Yeah, match between Team A and Team B. Though it is not bad, this is a Justifier match. We are looking for potential to build a team, Red Lions team. And in the first match, Team A, we could see much potential in the defense. And other in Team B also, we could see much potential in Milford. So I think, it's not bad. They will play another match. We could see those who couldn't play better during the first match. We are going to give them the opportunity to see if they can prove improve their performance in the second match.
Thank you very much. And what about you, sir?
Yeah, my name is Farouk. I think the first match between the Team A and Team B, they both have done well. We've seen the potentials, like the way my senior man said, and we are here to see the second matches so that we'll pick the better ones among them. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Keep a hand on it. Keep a dukada bang.
I catch him all like what we don't do.
Man, man, look at that. I do talk back, Liboro. Where's my hammer? Abbasiviere. Jonah, Abbasiviere. Oh, Benavianos in Abbasiviere. Benavio vai doer.
Oh, la monnaie terrain va virer la number 3. Elle chantier à tellement terrain.
Ala Turo. Ala no boko.
Ala one. Hey, Merlin. Hey, Merlin. Oh, il est fort, lui, là.
Ango. What consider?
Make bad message.
Ango, I think I consider. What consider? Thank you. How me get it to me? I'm gonna call you.
That time I go say
I'm ready for him. But do. Camera vanity. Kakere, I'm a bench on now. Then normally you know all of me. I do about 3-0. I do me. And you call me a bench. I consider you. Well, like a do how? I mean, make you in the future. I don't have to go out there. I do another go. Yeah? Let that party. I do got to be I got I call it you. I'm Justify, leave full on. Teacher, young car, blue. I'm a full more mouth. You got one of them. I like it. Let it be hot. Let it be hot again. Yeah, I got four. I can never come out of the beauty. Oh, the beauty. What the beauty? Oh, Papa Pandy. We blend here. I can't remember. The black boy. The black boy. You're a boy. You never come for ball. Oh, what's it? Just a very good cook. I just say we. Very good cook. Every ball, fun and extra fun. Yeah, where, Jabba? You look cool. We never got you. We never got you. Allah. Open to the edge of Emirates. Nelly. 2 dogs. Akoswa. No go. How do you hire a ball for? Right. For shot. A lot of habit for good and all the kids ever I do. That is a failure. It's a failure. I got a goal. I know Rashford. Go. I know my shout, bro. Simple task. What I do. finishing na problem na finishing. So let's do full about to like all the
Papa make a with the man. That boy. Emirates. This is fine. Emirates na na. So no tomate da.
Alacha. Koko tari, yes.
La, le video ba koko nyama re puri.
Because we don't do high.
Yeah, they met me.
Lord, have the food the ready to go. I have to go out for the train you all.
Body here, the thing. How do you go back to the next to Valencia?
Il a mal de faire la carré. C'est pas que j'ai tué la vie. C'est bon.
Pourquoi bah pour les meilleurs ouais any of them can help the person to say rather before that.
Après les gens qui les avant d'un qui parle au julo avec kepa
avec ça avec chaque la Barcelona.
Qui parle là et on te défend dans avec nous il y a avec kepa. Maman te défend dans là de ici. Les bonnes là et ça me dit là. Après moi quoi que garde là.
Mais moi il va nous là.
I know the football is confident the energy and follow. And move them up with an penalty. Look like a very, look like a very. If you ever be here, I'm going to have always start at Banana, but I'm a color or so what. Always. Amoruto always Alokpa
You go in and play good football, not patapa football. Go and play good football. Then we'll select you. Then I don't think with this our selection, somebody is here that will say, "Oh, Ome was selecting you." I'm sure even my father here liked the selection. That's why he's quiet. You know. So I beg you, when you go in, we are going to do our final. It can happen. We'll just select 15 players, and then we go. It can happen. We select 20 players. But if you look at your number here, you are about 32 or 33. So definitely some people will go home. That does not mean they are no good. Okay?
Me, I want the best for this community. I want the best for this community. So that we will leave a legacy. This is what you have. And this is what you must select. The number over here you must select the best out of this number. This community wants a better representation in upcoming league. We are going to play a league, and also per God's intervention, you might find yourself somewhere one day. Okay? So, coach was begging someone that he couldn't tell him the right position, and he placed him at a certain position. A player must be able to play at least current modern football. A player is supposed to play about 3 or 4 positions. Should in case you've gone to a certain club and there's a competition over there and there's some injury in certain department, you can be able to take that challenge and make the best out of it over there. So I will not plead to any player who have been placed to certain position, give us your best over there. Give us your best. That is why a player should be able to play both legs. Both legs. You should be able to learn how to play both legs, so that whatever position they place you, you can be able to do something better over there. Okay? We want the best for this community. So please, this last game, go and show us your best. Play to the principle of the game, all the 3 principles in the game, and all the 4 pillars in the game. Okay? Play to those principles, so that we can also select the best out of you. Okay? So I wish you good luck.
Referee recognize a player. Yeah, Joe, do it. Referee come for a ball. Referee player. Hey, my papa or ball, my left ball. Yeah, the match well over. Pico. I feel I made a good top before. I know so now my hey. So now it's eating about the pressure like only me come out and for out the team. In a punk about how would I say? Vacancy like the Premier League. Oh, doing a very open to you. So you put it better or dog. If I put the quick out, you say my dad, my dad, my bomb, allow that kind of bomb. Made everybody. Oh, on the same cara, Busu. Any of my guy, enjoy me while I was doing our color. Make Buema. Oh! I just put out on that. What are you doing? Dami te ponen coña por ahí tiene buco. Camilo. Esa boy. Camilo. Zahira, mwenye po. Ndio kwa. I think come and come and know that boy.
Go for help. Okay, start marking from there.
Hey man. But I do. All I had in my head, you know, I'm not bunny. You got nobody ready? Maro chuk gala wala nyaaw be. Okay. Yela. Okay. I know what's the line. Hey! Relax. Hello, relax.
Nah, give him back.
Let's go. Go allow him to play.
Ala bawa apa belum?
Dale tú. Volante de lo.
Udah boleh.
Oh, qu'est-ce qu'il faut? Oh,
Okay,
Agak terus ni mah, boleh kita pulang.
come si se pula tu be pirita.
Kau, yang yo mentality ni ada.
Sawa cara tu be piru.
Kau. Cik, berapa aku mau kau? Ciki. No, yo no switch ball ya.
Babia.
Onu banyak ya, belanja lo, obat yang kau pernah jauh dia no, dia pernah berapa? Oh, masa dulu. Dia no no.
Boleh rapid cara macam malu. Jauh nyawa.
Communique-toi. Le bas. Prends un boy. Tiki, go. Trop. Stop. Tiens d'abord. Là. Thank you. Go there. Control. Nice one. Go. Allez, come on, on a passé là.
Chiki. Yo man a shine olo.
Hey ma. Allez, va.
Lo kono yana baba no kweto ko. Wa bochi.
Nice one player. Nice one brother. Okay. Shaban. Yo do la mai. Mano. Si ba gap. Chale, yo le bolo baba. Chale.
Tiki Jojo. Mera ibi pa.
Cross ball no da le. Pe di le fo ma o po le fi le. Ni re ni ka le ja.
Ami abegbe. Tiki Jo. Kena Jo. Yo, come, hey, Allez, tout. Pardon. Nice one, referee. Nice one. It's clear. Go back. Please go there. Pass. Please. Don't worry. Nobody should be That boss is saying, man.
Boga. Yeah, so we are live here on Gosa TV. Gosa TV. We are here to witness a very great Justifier match for the Red Lions of kpedze Football Club. And as you can see, they have done the first selection, and this is the final selection that they will be doing for the players to represent the Division 2 club. So as you can see, there are people in the green shirts and others in the red. So it is time for the players to show up their talents, what they know about football, in order for them to be selected to represent the Red Lions. So far so good. It has been a very nice football so far for both sides. As you can see, one player is down. And as you can see, there is a free kick for Team B. It's a Justifier match between Team A and Team B. And as you can see, this is the final stage of selection. The final selection of the players. Very interesting and a nice game so far. What we can see is that every player is forcing for him to be selected at this final stage of the competition. We are also hoping to get the best out of the players that will represent the Red Lions Football Club from kpedze. That's a very great shot on target from the number 6. An offside. Offside from Team B. Offside from the number 9 shirt of Team B. And there is a free kick for Team A. Foul ball in favor of Team B. What we can see is that both players are being careful because of the pitch. Because of the pitch, a very nice free kick from the number 6. Both players are being careful because of the pitch. Nice football. It has gone out for a corner kick in favor of Team A. Team A. They are in the red. Just a kid. Corner kick. To be taken. It has been headed out. Another crossing, a very nice crossing. Can we see a goal? Saved by the keeper of Team B. And it's a corner kick for Team A, as you can see. A nice crossing in, headed out. Throw in favor of Team B. A very strong defense from Team A. Free kick in favor of Team B. Can it be a goal? Let's see how it goes. It's a free kick. A very nice free kick. Very nice free kick from the number 11 of Team B. It's a goal kick for Team A. It's pushing. It has been taken. Can it be a goal? Let's see. It has been recovered, cleared by Team A defenders. It went wide. It's a goal kick for Team B. Goal kick for Team B. You are live on Gosa TV. This is the final stage of selection for the players to represent the Red Lions of kpedze. And as you can see, players are showing up their talents, what they know about football. Another free kick in a very dangerous area. Another free kick. Player is down. And there is a yellow card for that offense. Free kick in favor of Team A. Let's see how it goes. Can it be a goal? Can it be a goal? It went wide. And there is a goal kick in favor of for Team B. Goal kick. It went wide and it's a goal kick. Another throwing for Team B.
You just see your body play like. That tall guy follow the do that thing for them. That tall guy.
It's a free kick. It's a foul from the number shirted jersey of Team A, and then a free kick in a very dangerous position. Let's see if this could be a goal from Team B. Free kick to be taken by the number 11 shirted man. Saved by the keeper. Another strong defending from Team B. Okay. It has gone out for a goal kick.
Like somewhere you're in the like 30 goals.
Throw in favor of Team A. Another nice crossing Foul. A foul ball. Taking quickly and shortly.
Offside.
It's an offside for Team A, number 9, shirted man. The free kick should be taken again. And that's the end of the first half. We have ended the first half. So we are back to continue with the second half. As you can see, players have kicked off, and as you can see, we have the team A in the red shirt and then the team B in the green shirt. And this is the final stage of the competition of the Justifier, for the players to be selected to represent the Red Lions of kpedze. So this is the second half of the last round. A very nice football play so far from. It's an offside. Nice play. We are live on Gosa TV. Gosa TV. This is the final stage of the competition. Selection of players. It is time for the players to show up their ability, their talent, showing being readiness to represent the club. Another strong defending from Team B defenders, the number 5 shirted JC man. We are hoping that at the end of this match, we shall get the players that will represent the Division 2 club, the Red Lions of kpedze. It's been a wonderful game so far, and it's a goal kick for Team A. A very poor pass from the defender of Team A, and it's a throw in favor of Team B.
check right. And then you are having the come up photographer. I will show you that I'm a come up photographer.
Nice football. It's a goal kick in for Team B.
Bon marqué wall of my novio the ball doing. Come your super gag ball le ball ga ko ira mi odo me. Awo, me mark William okay. For play that ball at once. Yeah. I do a lay gag ball change direction. Bon contrôle, mais ça me dit à l'ennemi.
Very nice pass. Hey, miss. That could be a goal, a very nice goal.
Confidence.
Foul ball from Team A, number 8 shirted man. Very strong defense.
Nice ball, Adam. Nice. Okay, Yakpa. Hey, Yakpa.
Nice ball. Nice football from both sides. Both sides are playing very well. What can we see? Is it going to be a goal? Two players are down. Still one player is down from Team B. The number 4 shirted man, a defender for Team B, is down. He is now up.
The man said if you do mistake, you go that place.
It's a goal kick for Team B. Goal kick to be taken by the goalkeeper. He's taking shortly and quick.
For any loose ball.
So another goal kick for Team B. We are live on Gosa TV, and there is a Justifier football match going on to select players to represent the Red Lions of.
Thank you.
And it's a goal from Team A. It's a very brilliant goal from Team A. Brilliant goal from Team A. As the number 2 just shirted man who scored a goal for Team A. Player is down. Team B player. He's calling for a change.
One. So that I can put inside.
You didn't take pictures with your phone.
I'm charging.
No, the battery. If you are, you don't use camera like that. We are favored today that the man gave us the.
Oh, I am okay. Look, first a night. Oh, Nakua.
Match is still in progress. A very nice defense. It's a free kick for Team B.
No, no, kata no move. We don't lose. No, we kata no go well for Jabu.
Okay, Viela.
Alors t'as ton ala for it. Me polo kaka.
Aí atara kami.
Atara kami.
Olha a
Opa. Olha system
nunca o pico tere oh é a roca é a minha viu blessed pico tere nena
Free kick.
oh big bad boy
ah pique vai
bola neto Jomas menyo crowd menyo il faut pas prendre c'est le bon la bola et on met la cible de la bola on a on met auto mettre le codo le faut mettre sur la cible de bon il y a on met comme il attaque quoi
Offside.
Kudo, il y avait fort, il y avait fort, il pas de miado copa. Cause William
Free kick taken short and quick.
Nice. Evo.
Play on.
Play down.
A player is down. A number 5 shirted man for Team B is down, and you be out.
Don't worry.
Fair play. Throw in for Team B. A very brilliant ball from Team A again. Can we see a goal? Another goal?
Spain, Portugal. Spain now I'm 5 days. You know they carry. I put a caca get out to my big. I do it.
Another player is down on Team B.
Thank you.
Player Laingba, player is down. Player is down. Bah.
Vijale no mere.
Very shoot on off target. Play is still progress, as you can see. Throw in for Team B. As you can see, play is still in progress. I have a very gentleman. I have a very gentleman here who is also a footballer, but today he decided to be a spectator. So far we want to see how far his view concerning the final stage of the match so far. Gentlemen, you are welcome.
Thank you.
Please, what's your name?
The name is Salomanku.
Oti. Yeah. So far, what's your view on this, the last stage of this Justify game?
Okay. What I will say is that it's a nice game ongoing, and the boys are trying their best.
Okay.
Yeah, and that's all I have to say.
Okay, thank you very much. I have a very gentle man here too. Yeah, so as you can see, there are a lot of people here. A lot of people here have gathered here because of the Justify game. We have one very grown-up person. So, Miato, welcome, Corey.
Victor.
Aha. Eta abeleke mile bole kpo akpobe mile wona dodo susue me popo susue yo ako a cha player le open popo le leke ko le no kpo so far.
Oh, le nyate pe me de bi ogbagba jeme ni o tongi jinyele be wono ji hu aka mi kpo be ami wo no pepe de na me de bi o mo no jejemu ta ni mi edu ani fia do ademiaji aka mi alan kure de bi o nchi
yo akpe rami. So we have a lot of people here who are spectators who are watching closely to see how far things are going. This is the last and final stage for the selection of the players to represent the Red Lions Football Club. We are live here on Gosa TV, and we also have one of our grandfathers also here who would like to ask him one of two things. Daddy, where's all? Aha, star so far, probably middle one, I pay Akpasu Suena, Egbepe, Justify for football, I select the view, okay, I Jaragba, I represent kpedze Red Lions. Le open popon day, like a call and walk so far.
Well, Medapana unto, Medapana, Mia, a door alopity, cameraman. Did you work professional petit Medapana Dofa yi makweki du kofa ngoba yi kweki ejo jenam alegbe ego mele mian tumle fide sports and games ele bubu nka boto eyo pete su gapenya gamele yata no magawala yiyo takim tinja agba te organize filala da pene mi bon azon de viole bobo voilà football experience là. Alors, the skill là, là aussi à que n'y pas de water aware seji, on peut bon into après, bon sens là aussi, que depuis toto alors into nuit que j'ai eu à appeler, elle nous blesse de vion, elle nous bante au plus soit me parle, on m'a dit moi aware seji on a mis au que le renauri, on m'a aware du que bon contrôle là mais pas du tout là
yo
ni nyebe watan wa de seji la off bon nto
yo that me that now there open chochota. So we are left with some few minutes to end the second half of the final stage. So players have shown up their talent, and we hope that the best among them will be selected to represent the club, the Red Lions of kpedze. Here comes the end of the final stage of the Justify game. We are most grateful to the organizers and everybody for their time and their resources. We want to thank them for the great job done. Thank you. So we are live here on Gosa TV. We have just witnessed a final stage of the Justifier game, and we are here with the players to ask them how they have played and how did they see the Justifier game and their expectation. So, gentlemen, what's your name?
I'm Lord Listowell.
Okay. So, how do you see the playing?
The game was a very nice one, very calm, without casualty. It was played under the tenets of fair play per FIFA regulation, and we believe all supporters who came around to witness the game realized, kpedze Red Lion is seriously, on course, and they are focused, and they want to make amends, and they want to ensure that the team succeeds here in kpedze, since it's one of a kind.
So what are your expectations?
The expectation is that the players that will be selected after this Justify Your Inclusion will be the very best team, and regardless of people who have been selected or those who have not been selected, we all throw our weight behind the team that have been the player that have been shortlisted, and we will throw our weight behind the team to make sure the team succeeds.
Okay. So I want to ask this question: you as a player, if in case you have not been selected, how do you have to tell other players? What are your motivational words that you can tell those that have been selected?
It's like a contest. Certainly there's going to be a winner, just one person winning. So in as much as we were more in number when we came to start the beginning of this Justify Your Inclusion, if I've not been selected, I believe those that have been selected are the very best, because all of us can be selected, and we throw our weight behind them and carry them to hold the fort to make sure the team succeeds.
Do
you play well?
Yes, I played to the best of my ability.
So you believe you beat?
Yes, we had two phases. The first phase I was chosen. So the second phase, they are yet to come out with a final list. So we hope that, and I believe I will be chosen.
Thank you for your time.
You're
welcome.
welcome.
Wish you all the best of the land.
Thank you.
The women have a Justifier and selection Ogalejige. Never goalkeeper the guy no a game ele baller. They are there. Ele a chef for ball. Let go call ball. A gentleman very good.
Baku promise.
Okay, promise. Let call ball. Let call me.
O ball ya ayi de. Ma pone mi omi football lenti va fame. Nde sere zo nyi de. America me kwa bi. Ko was be Justify me amya vagbelo. Ma pone mi omi woni sere de dire.
Ta lekenye o fe ta dojina lo o fe ngogbe npopo be eleyi o football lekenye o fe ngogbe npopo cho e wona iji egbe hun
ne fe ngogbe npopo cho wona ihe iji egbe nkwenye be ami yo he wacha le miamela wa de onu senu ano twani wo nyabu ame nya kunya sen ho nya gbra mi komi wo deji kene se ra so nyire
ta elemokpo be wacha ibe ya no kpedze Red Lions yome anje open number 1 goalkeeper
Mauli ga nde sera yinye
yo akpe na we di jogbenwe re sere na akpe
You've really done well. We started with a great number, but right now you see that we have just few number here. We started about around, let's say, 9 o'clock in the morning till this time. It's now getting to 5. You've done well. Under this hot sun, you are all running up and down to make sure that you are selected. Indeed, you have done well. You know why you are here, and you know that you don't know. Like I always say, that if you know that you don't know, then you are a wise person. But if you don't know, and you don't know that you don't know, then you have problem. So thank you very much. We finished our selections, and don't be disappointed if we if we didn't select you, don't be angry. You have chance to go somewhere and try. Let me see you up, Baba. To travel right now to abroad, you will not go. We will not take you. But since we are here, we will join you. You come and join the training. Then we will try you more and see if there will be improvement again. Then we can take you into the team. Okay? So you can sit down. Now we don't have much time. So I'll let my senior man talk, and then the chiefs will also come in, our leaders, they will also come in, and quickly we close. I'll be giving you last word, but I'll go to my senior man before, after everything, then I'll come and give you the last word. Thank you.
Thank you. I hope you all went through the exercise, and the outcome of it, you saw the number that I've left. In fact, I don't have much to say, but all that I have to say is, this is not the final list. We've pruned down the number, okay? And this is not the final list. You'll be starting training roughly by next week. You go back and look for your holds, good boots. So probably, maybe by Wednesday, we may start training. We may start training by Wednesday morning and afternoon. Let me see those who are students over here. Those who are students over here. How many? 6. Okay. The students who join, those who are not in school, in afternoon. In afternoon, you make sure you join your colleagues in training. And there's going to be a book which will, take a record. Okay? For Monday, you start a partial training on Monday with coach. Coach will take care of you from Monday up to Wednesday. Coach also will come in, because I'm going to the academy house, and once a while I'll be visiting you and see the improvements that you've been given. Okay? So hard work and determination for the few weeks that you are going to watch you once again. If you go home and you went and sleep again, meaning that you can't join the boat. Red Lions boat, you will not be part of it. We want hard-working materials to join the boat. Am I clear? Very good. Thank you all.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, my coaches. And I thank everybody for coming here today. I only say I've appreciated all you've done for us. As they are saying, you've all seen the population that came here this morning. But look at the number that remains now. Meaning you are being picked. By being picking you, that doesn't mean go and sleep at your homes. Go back and do your homework very well. I said what? Go back and do your homework very well. Coach was saying something today. It is in my mind that there is somebody that they say kick ball into empty net, but he could not do it. But later what happened? They saw that person playing Black Star. Wonderful. So it could happen to everybody here. You understand? It could happen to anybody here. Those people who are not picked, don't go and sleep at your homes. But I want to tell you, keep it up. If you keep it up, you join this train. Okay? So I'm only advising you. They say we are starting training on Monday. Good. Monday, we are here. We should be here on Monday. Okay? Togbe is here, Coach Aite is here, Tutu is here, I am here, and most of us are here. So I think all coaches, all they are saying is well with us. So thank you for coming today. Thank you.
Maybe I have another 15 minutes to stay here. From here, when we get to our sleeping place, we are going, and I believe by Tuesday, Wednesday, I will come back here and stay with you. I want you to be serious. I want to work with people who are serious to work. If you are lazy, you stay in your house. Okay? So, as time goes on, we'll get our captain who can be leading us. At least a team without captain there is not good. We need captain. Okay? Then anything at all we can channel through the captain. Before we move here, see what is our secretary, player secretary? Where is he? Player secretary. Is he doing something there? Yeah. Everybody here, as a player, move straight to him and give him your WhatsApp number. Your WhatsApp number. We are creating different platform for only the players. We will not add any supporters on the platform. So from here, just move to him, mention your name. Your name is there. Then he will put your contact number. In case of anything, we can call you. I wish you, those who are from far away, I know some of you are from far small, you ride bike. I wish you safe journey. Until Wednesday again we'll meet. Thank you very much.
Please, my question is, what of those that are working? Like, how are we going to manage it?
The morning
painting.
So teachers, we know letters by soldier, notice by.
If you are a teacher or any worker at all, we know from 6-7 you may be preparing to go to work, but that time you'll be at the training. So we'll make sure we'll do the morning training and close very early so that you can go to school or work. Even sometimes the students can even join us to train, and when it is time for them to go to school, they can ask permission and go.